Massive news has just dropped that Telegram is launching their crypto wallet in the US for 87 million US customers. Now, Ton and Telegram has been something that I've been talking about for a long time, but this news actually can be the catalyst for Ton to start recovering. We do see a decent recovery, and I have a scalp trade for you, and I do have a longer term position. And I just had to bring this very short video here. Watch this and why I believe Ton is going to be a very lucrative trade in the next week or so. And yeah, if you're watching these 3, 4, 5 days later, well, bad luck. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss trades like this. Let's get going. So number one, I promise you that I'm gonna bring you shorter videos like this, and I literally just saw this Ton chart here, and I tweeted what is it? I posted in the community as well, the Telegram community, this free community, link in the description, that I said Ton moving to the US news out. My Ton bot and Ton position is still open. I do have a Ton bot already open down here, which I opened, I don't even know. I opened it on the show. It's up 37% in the past 12 days. But I said here, my Ton positions are still open, but I'm taking this as a scalp trade. So this as a scalp trade. The reason is because if you look here and you go down the lower time frame, usually what happens, this is when news came out, right? So usually what happens, you have a massive, massive push. And if that push is able to close above or major time frames on major levels, above major levels, that could indicate a very, very, very strong demand here. Of course, market makers are playing a ball here as well with the news, so this could be super interesting. And I posted in the community and I said, this is the chart that I'm looking at, and this is the chart exactly that I've been looking at. There are two ways you can play this. One is obviously long term. I do believe Ton has a massive potential. You go down onto the daily time frame, you look at this, you see that this is basically accumulation area, and Ton is primed, in my opinion, to go to $5, $6, $7 this cycle. But if you go onto the 1 hour chart as well and you look at this, you can't deny the fact that this is a very strong demand zone, and this could result or should result in a rebound. So you can play it two ways. One is you go down into the 5-minute chart. I actually posted this here as well, 5-minute market structure shift, which basically means that you have a higher high here on the 5-minute, which apparently you got here actually. This is the problem. You kind of missed this. But this is a proper 5-minute. Let me see if it is also a 15-minute. Yeah, not really, just came back. But if it's a 5-minute market structure shift, I would not be surprised if this sells off a little bit. But ultimately, what I want to say is that above the 3.19 level, I do think Ton is a good buy. Now, what I did, and I also again posted this in here, is that I set up a bot because I can't monitor this. I don't have time to just start layering in, and this is also one of the reasons why bots are pretty cool, because I'm not only opening these massive bots that I have here on long AVAX bot or long-term bot, the Ethena bot, the Ethereum bot. Ethena bot is up 1300%. The Ethena bot, Ethereum bot, Bitcoin bot, all these for long runs. I actually do have a list in the description where you can go and just check all these bots out for the long term if you want. You can also get a $1,000 sign up bonus if you use my link on Pinex. But in general, what I wanted to say that I set up this scalp bot for this. We will also include that separately in the description if you want to use that. But the idea here is that the bot will start buying in. I'm actually going to show it here. The bot will buy in. It already is layering in. I don't have to pay attention to this. The bot is going to layer in. Let me just put this up. The bot is, if this is confusing to you, by the way, we're gonna link, there is going to be up there, there's going to be a little card. You can click on that and you can see the tutorial for Pinex, which we dropped, so you will understand what is really happening here. It's super simple and short. But in general, here's what I'm thinking. The bot will layer in on the 50%. This is my 50% retrace here at 3.34, as I marked it on the chart here, about 3.34. And then you can see that the bot is buying and then immediately selling out. So I do believe that this is going to make a new high at 3.6, and this bot is going to be absolutely incredible. So anyway, I just wanted to drop this news here for you. Big things are happening for Ton. I'm gonna get one of the major guys from Ton onto a show to chat about what is really happening. Snoop Dogg launched his stickers, and now they announced the move in the US, so I think you shouldn't sleep on it. Again, I'm taking this scalp trade. Make sure that you don't get ragged, use leverage, and again, like if you want to use the bot, there's a link in the description, and also you can use our longer term bots as well. Guys, truly appreciate you, every single one of you. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell notifications on so you don't miss daily offer like this. I'm gonna drop 1 or 2 more videos today, so go and check it out. Take care.